Your slow phone, we get it. Is your phone slow? Apps take forever to open, tapping feels like slow motion, it's frustrating, right? Your phone used to be fast. Now it feels like it's trudging through mud. You might think about getting a new phone, but they cost a lot. Your current phone might just need a boost. Hold off on shopping for a new device. Good news, you might not need to spend a dime. There's a simple trick to make your phone feel faster. This trick is already built into your phone. Many people don't know it exists. It's like finding a secret button for speed. This trick works on many phones, Android and iPhone alike. Are you ready to unlock this hidden speed? Let's go. The hidden trick? It's all about animations. Animations are those movements on your screen. They look nice but use your phone's power. These animations can make your phone feel slower. Each movement takes a bit of time. All those tiny bits add up. Your phone does extra visual work it might not need. The good news? You can change them. Adjust them to make them faster or turn them off. This gives your phone a break and frees up resources. Changing these settings is safe and easy. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just follow a few simple steps. Your phone will thank you and feel more responsive. Android users, this is for you. Let's find the developer options. It's hidden, but easy to access. Go to your phone's Settings app. Scroll to About Phone and tap it. Find Build Number and tap it 7 times. You'll see a message. You are now a developer. Go back to Settings, find System, then Developer Options. Look for Animation Settings. Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Change each to 0.5x or turn them off. Try 0.5x first for a snappier feel. Windows will open faster, it's a big difference. iPhone users, it's your turn. Apple has a similar feature, it's called Reduce Motion, found in Accessibility. This reduces screen movements, making your iPhone feel faster. Open Settings, scroll to Accessibility and tap it. Look for Motion and tap it. You'll see Reduce Motion. Turn it on. Apps will open more directly and transitions will be simpler. This helps your iPhone use less power for visuals, making it feel faster. Want more speed? Here are extra tips. Clear your phone's cache occasionally. Apps store temporary files that can slow things down. Keep some storage space free. Don't let your phone get full. Try to keep at least 10 to 15% of storage free. Delete old photos, uninstall unused apps, and move big files to the cloud. Restart your phone weekly to clear glitches and refresh memory. It's like giving your phone a nap, waking up refreshed. We hope these tricks make your phone super fast. Did reducing animations help your Android? Did Reduce Motion speed up your iPhone? Share your experience in the comments. If this helped, give it a like and share with friends. Everyone deserves a faster phone.